Want to edit a photo you took on your iPhone to remove objects or people, extend the image, or adjust the framing, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the new AI photo editing tools on iPhone in iOS 27. Now let's get started. To begin, you'll need to have your iPhone updated to iOS 27. If you haven't upgraded yet, check out this tutorial to learn how. There are 3 useful new photo editing tools on iPhone with the iOS 27 release: Clean Up, Extend, and Reframe. These make use of Apple Intelligence. Let's first dive into the Clean Up tool. To clean up a photo on your iPhone, first open the Photos app. Then open the image you want to edit. Tap the Edit icon. Then select Tools. Tap Clean Up. Now you can tap, brush over, or circle anything you want to remove. Once you've selected everything you want to remove, tap Clean Up. Apple Intelligence will get to work cleaning up your photo, and you'll see the result when it's done. If you're happy with it, tap the check mark to save. If you aren't happy with the result, you can tap the Undo button at the top and try again. The next editing tool is Extend. This tool uses generative AI to extend the edges of your image, making it look more zoomed out. Tap Extend to get started. Then you can pinch with 2 fingers to zoom out, or drag the edges of your photo to adjust the crop. Then tap Extend. Processing for this can take a little bit, especially if your photo has a lot of details around the edges. When it's done, you'll see the generated result. Tap the check mark at the top to save. The last new photo editing tool is called Reframe. This one can be used to change the perspective of your photo. Drag the image to the side, up, or down to shift the perspective how you'd like. Then tap Reframe. Again, this will take a little bit to load. And then you'll see the final result. Tap the check mark to save your changes. After using the AI editing tools, you can still make adjustments and use filters on your photo like you normally would. You can hold down your photo to see the difference between your original photo and the edited version. Tap Done to save your edits. That's all it takes to use the new photo editing tools on iPhone in iOS 27. Want more helpful iPhone tips and tricks? Check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.